finish to your skin, and I think I love this one. I don't think I'm going to opt for this method because it removes the foundation that you have on your skin. So this is the contour which I have done, and this is here. Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. So if you are new to this channel, then please do subscribe to my channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be doing the TikTok viral hacks, makeup hacks basically. Without further ado, let's quickly begin with the video. So the first one is the TikTok BB cream. So I read this article on Google. So this article is by Charlotte Hyatt-Willis, and she has tried this DIY BB cream. This BB cream consists of your moisturizer, foundation, your serum or highlighter, and the SPF. But she advises not to use the sunscreen in the concoction that you are making, but use it separately. This is only because mixing sunscreen with something else could result in you applying much less than needed. BB is short for blemish balm or beauty balm, so this I did not know. In terms of texture, BB cream is a little less heavy than foundation and typically provides light to medium coverage. So she says as the products are mixed together rather than laid individually on the skin, you're likely to apply less and the finish is said to be a lot smoother. So instead of applying all the layers like the foundation, the highlighter, everything, making a concoction of all these products and applying it on your skin gives a very smooth finish. So I have this plastic container right here, and she has added 2 pumps of foundation, so I'm going to do the same. So I'm going to add 1 pump and 2 pump. That's too little I think. And after that she has added primer. So I will be using this primer right here, Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer, and I'm going to add this also into this. Then she has added the moisturizer, so I'm going to use the Nivea Soft Moisturizer. So I've added the moisturizer now. Lastly, she has added a serum and highlighter, a liquid highlighter, but I do not have one, so I'm going to add a little bit of serum, and also I'm going to be adding a little bit of the highlighter. So I've added the highlighter into this, and then I'm going to add the serum. So then I'm going to mix this. That was too little and it is just on the brush now, the whole product. So I'm going to directly apply it on my skin. But she said you need to apply the sunscreen first. So I have not added the sunscreen there, and hence I'm applying it on the bare face. And then I'm going to apply the BB cream that I just prepared. You get a very smooth look, but it does not give you so much coverage. It just gives you medium coverage. However, I have to apply the concealer, but it gives you a very illuminating look and very smooth look. Also, I do not apply the primer for my whole face, but this BB cream contains the primer. But I think it gives a very good finish to your skin, and I think I love this one. Charlotte Willis has said that this BB cream has replaced her foundation, and I think it does a pretty good job. But I don't think it will replace my foundation because I don't want my whole face to be highlighted. Maybe sometimes when I don't want to wear a lot of layers on my skin, I will go for this type of BB cream just for an illuminating look when I'm going somewhere out. I'm going to quickly apply my concealer and set my under eyes. Makes me look very pinkish. My skin is looking more pink, I think because of the highlighter, because it was rose gold. Okay, never mind. So after this I'm going to try the eyebrow hack. So as you saw, she has just applied eyeshadow on her eyebrows and then wiped it with a cloth. So I'm going to do the same. I'm going to apply a dark brown eyeshadow and let's see how it goes. So she has used a wet wipe to remove the excess from the eyebrows. I'm going to use a wet cloth since I do not have a wet wipe, and I'm going to do that. Okay, I think this is pretty good. I don't think I'm going to opt for this method because it removes the foundation that you have on your skin and it makes it messier after you've set your face. If I'm going for this method, then I should do it before I do my base, but I'm going to fix this using a concealer. I think it gave a pretty good shape for my eyebrows. Then we have the next TikTok hack, that is for the eyes. So what she has done, she has just done this, okay, and applied the eyeshadow. So I'm going to do the same. I'm going to be using this color right here. Place the lash color here and then apply. Oh god, this is very difficult to apply. I do not know where I'm applying. Then she did the wing also with the eyelash color. She kept the eyelash color like this and did the wing. I'm going to pick up a dark brown eyeshadow for the wing. Okay, so it's not proper. I don't think this is working out for me. This side is okay, this is pretty good, but not this side. I think I can do better with my free hand rather than using the lash color to create a wing. Then she used it also for the eyebrows, but I've already done my eyebrows, so I'm not going to use it there. I'm just going to curl the lashes and coat my lashes. So the next hack is for the nose contour. So she has drawn two lines over here on top near the eyebrows, 1 and 2. Oh god, I got this too dark. The same she has done over here, 1 and then over here. Okay, I think this is pretty good. So after that she applied a highlighter. It's good. So the next hack is for the double chin right here. I'm really excited to try this one out and see how it turns out. So here's what she's doing. She has applied one line like this, a few lines down. This is similar to what I do, but I only draw one line and then blend it out. And then she has applied the setting powder on two places. One is here and the other one is here. Now let's take a look at the difference. So this is the contour which I have done, and this is here. Please let me know below what is the difference. I'm going to do it on the other side as well. So the last TikTok hack is the lipstick hack. So let's take a look. So she has applied one dark lipstick first, and then a pink, bright pink, then a red lipstick. Oh god. She has used 3 lipsticks altogether. So first I'm going to use a dark pink shade on my lips, and this is the Mauve Ecstasy. This is a Lakme Forever Matte. I do not have a purplish shade, so I'm going to apply the lip liner that I have. And then I'm going to apply this lipstick right here. It's a bit orangish red. And then a little bit on this lip as well. And then what she has done is she has smudged it with a brush. I love this particular hack from all the other hacks. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please comment down below your favorite hack, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. I was trying to run from my destiny. Truth is, it's hard to want what you